The videos on this channel have been prepared to give you the summary information you need during your traveling. By downloading the free travel checklist in the description section to your phone, you can easily access the essential information you may need on your trip. Paris is the capital and largest city of France. America usually takes 8 to 10 hours, while the distance to Europe is around 2 to 3 hours. Transportation to the Far East usually requires a 10 to 12-hour flight. Paris is accessible to both American and European tourists, and is a popular tourist destination worldwide. General information. Paris is a city located on the banks of the Seine River and home to the famous Eiffel Tower. The climate is temperate oceanic with warm and rainy summers and cold and humid winters. The best time to visit is spring and fall. The currency is the euro, and 1 euro is approximately equivalent to $1.08 US. Holiday advice. Historic sites. Explore historic landmarks such as the Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, Notre Dame Cathedral. Art. Visit world-famous museums such as the Louvre Museum, the Orsay Museum, and enjoy art. Romantic walks. Take romantic walks along the city's famous streets and have a picnic by the Seine River. Top 5 best dishes. Croissant, a crisp and soft French breakfast bread made with butter, 2-3 euro. Bœuf bourguignon, a traditional French dish made of meat and vegetables cooked in a red wine sauce and soaked in broth. €, 15.25. Quiche Lorraine, a savory tart made with eggs, cream, cheese, and ham, 8 to 12 €. Escargot, salty and spicy grasshoppers cooked in garlic butter, 12-18 €. Macarons, colorful and delicious French dessert made from almond flour, sugar, and egg whites, 1 to 2 €. Top 5 restaurants. Le Jules Verne, an upscale restaurant located on the Eiffel Tower, famous for its spectacular views. Google score 4.45. Allard, restaurant in the Saint-Germain-des-Prés neighborhood serving authentic French cuisine that doesn't compromise on classics. Google score 4.35. L'Avenue, a chic restaurant on the Champs-Élysées frequented by celebrities. Google score 3.65. Chez Janou, an intimate restaurant serving traditional French cuisine in the Marais district. Google score 4.35. Frenchy, a popular restaurant serving modern French cuisine. Google score 4.5 to 5. Top 5 places to visit. Eiffel Tower. The symbol of the city, it offers spectacular views and romantic moments. Louvre Museum. The world's largest art museum, home to famous works such as the Mona Lisa. Montmartre. Also known as the Artist's Hill, a neighborhood famous for its narrow streets and art galleries. Notre Dame Cathedral, a building of historical and religious significance famous for its Gothic architecture. Champs-Élysées Avenue, the most famous avenue in Paris, famous for its luxury shops, cafes, and parks. Top 5 hotel. Four Seasons Hotel George V, a luxurious and elegant hotel located near the Champs-Élysées. Google score 4.75. Le Meurice, a hotel near the Louvre Museum known for its famous design and comfortable rooms. Google score 4.55 to 5. Hotel Plaza Athénée, a luxurious and prestigious hotel located on the Champs-Élysées. Google score 4.65. The Peninsula Paris, a hotel near the Eiffel Tower known for its legendary star service. Google score 4.65. Hotel Lutetia, historic and elegant hotel in the Saint-Germain-des-Prés district. Google score 4.55. Transport choices. Metro, the most widespread and fastest transportation network in the city, with different lines you can easily reach anywhere in the city. Taxi. Access in the city are a safe and common transportation option. They are always available. Walking. The historic center of Paris is best explored on foot, with many important sites close to each other. Some popular posts on social media. Thank you for watching.